Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll learn how to make your videos full screen using CapCut. Whether you're editing videos for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or any other platform, this method will help you make your videos fit perfectly in the frame. Let's jump right into it. First, open the CapCut app on your device and start by creating a new project. From there, import the video you want to edit. I've already imported mine here. Now, to make our video full screen, we'll need to adjust the aspect ratio. If you're editing videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, the best aspect ratio to use is 9:16, as this is the vertical format used on these platforms. To adjust this, tap on the ratio option in CapCut and select 9:16. Once that's set, it's time to make your video full screen. Select the video clip in your timeline. Now, using two fingers, simply pinch to zoom in on the video, just like you would when zooming in on a picture in your gallery. Adjust it until the video fits the frame completely. And there you go. Your video is now full screen in CapCut. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and export the video to your photo gallery, and you're ready to share it on social media. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more editing tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.